Hello and welcome to another video. So let's be real, if your Android application doesn't support the dark mode in 2025, user will drop it faster than a buggy release. Now you can see that you can enable dark mode in your application at any time. So the first step is make sure Material3 dependency is added in your Gradle, and this will look like this. After adding it, sync the project and Material3 dependency will be available throughout the project. Second, go to the res values and colors folder, and there you will see two color files, one for the dark color and one for the light color. And also there should be two files for the themes, one for the light, one for the dark. And go to the manifest file and double check that your application tag has the theme style which we just added. That's it. Your application will now automatically follow the device dark light preference. Let me show you. Well, I have made a simple layout as well. I have created a simple card view, a text view and a switch. I will use this switch later, but first let me show you how system will handle it automatically. Now if your system is in dark mode, your current layout will be in dark mode. If your system is light mode, it will automatically switch to the light mode. Enable dark mode by yourself by adding a button. Then we can do this by adding a switch button in your XML and set a ID. Then go to your activity class. I am using binding dot apply is a block. Then dark mode and check if is checked, then use the app delegate dot set default mode and yes. And if dark mode switch is turned off, then set to the dark mode no, and then run the code. Now you can see that you can enable dark mode in your application at any time, and later you can save this is checked in your shared preference so application can remember. That's how easy it is to add dark mode in your Android app using Material3 and XML. If this helped you, make sure to like, comment your thoughts and subscribe to the channel. See you the next one. Bye bye.